Welcome to Activities for Students. Come, let's learn addition in a creative way with Neha Batra. It's time to start. Today we do practice with these fun activities. Number 1, break out the hula hoops. Number 2, maths additions cup. Addition pipes. Find the number with addition cups, as you see in the picture. Coat hanger and pegs addition machine. Ladybird addition activity. Tree activity. Pom-pom activity. Paper plate addition. If you want to do subtraction, write a minus sign on the center in any of the activity. Other activities are like this, shown in the picture. You can use hand cutouts, beads, blocks, etc. Thank you for watching.